it's as tough as all boots. You know, it's a little 1400cc and it's a tractor engine.
Oh, is it? Well, how many cylinders is it? Four cylinders.
Down all the way down there, yeah. Yeah.
That's Rally Rush. It's not your daily. Certain trims that didn't fit well. But yeah, proper into his Jags.
Way I can go till the back end. I mean, really, it shouldn't be going at all, if I'm honest, but hopefully by then we'll be smoother. I definitely can't go on the 2040.
Yeah, no, that's far.
There's a few firms do it because rather than looking at things like that, well, it's the same money in the game in January.
Well, it just depends what your age is, isn't it? And also, it's what you are followed at.
Yeah, what we see them.
What do you reckon this is worth?
60.
You didn't look at it yourself?
Yes, exactly. I've got the photos somewhere hidden on a memory card, taped back to the wardrobe. Yeah.
I love, do you know, I love those. Yeah. I've offered them. They go for Sunday.
5 aircraft tubing, but it is a Manx pack frame.
What firm did that?
I'm not sure, I don't know much about this. He doesn't, but he specialises in doing them to fit almost any engine in.
Right.
So I get the feeling he might have done this one.
Right.
Because
they've got a...
7 off of you was away.
Hello, mate.
No, yeah, still got it. Still got it. Yeah.
All the bad weather over there. There's an eagle as well.
Big one over there.
Busy, yeah, but by the time you get here, it won't be.
Go and have a look. Go and have a look.
Whatever is that?
It's 12:05 now. I don't know, because Ulrich said it's Alan said he got some spares for a Granada. Not a Granada, a Mondeo, you know what I mean? It's Alan.
I called him up, and when I could come down the road here, I passed him beating me on, going like that. So he's right next to me.
So he's got...
No, we can't do that. We can go into your house. So anyway, it was too long. So where
It's unbelievable. It's and what years are these?
They're both 63. When they got the age registration. Beautiful inside.
All I'd be going there for would be
Yeah, I would actually recommend to the Reds. I was sitting in the bubbles.
The Red Alpha and the
I think it's absolutely stunning.
All right, okay, yeah.
I had a brand new one in the army. Loved it. We had a
got another Jeep, 43, which is slightly different than that.
He ended up upside down and in jail.
Got about 25 bikes.
all military was roadworthy. So you really have got to be on the ball. Because taxing them or turns in, this is
yeah, it's a shrapnel and bullets. I mean, a modern explosive now blows this to bits.